Hello everyone. In last lecture we have discussed about structures and geometry of chemical molecules. Uh, in last lecture we did up to sp3d. I remember. Then the video actually cuts, so I have to repeat it. So I am repeating this for you people. Then you can see we can have four cases in sp3d hybridization. If I am talking about structure, then it is TBP for this case, and the geometry is TBP in all four: trigonal, bipyramidal, trigonal, bipyramidal, trigonal, bipyramidal. Clear? So in all four cases the geometry will not be changed, it will be TBP only. But if I am talking about the first case, then there is no lone pair, so the geometry and structure will be same. That is also trigonal bipyramidal. Now I am taking example of this. So PCl5, PF5 can be taken, and if I take the structure of PCl5, then I can draw this structure like this, and you can see this angle is 120 degree, 120, 120. So three 120 degree angles are there. So we can see angle CLPCL of 120 degree are 3, and angle CLPCL of 90 degree are 6, and angle CLPCL of 180 degree R1. Okay, so you can see if we consider it the structure of PCl5, then we can see these are equatorial position and these are axial position. So in TBP geometry, what happens, the equatorial position is having a maximum distance. So the lone pair, whenever the lone pair will come, it will come on this equatorial position. So how many lone pairs can be accommodated here? Maximum 3 lone pairs can be accommodated here. You can see 1, 2, 3. That's why I have taken 3 cases of lone pair. Clear? You can see this is P, phosphorus. These are 3 chlorines. They are having 120 degree angle with each other. So how many 120 degree angles are there? 3. If I am talking about this above chlorine, so it is making 90 with these all 3 chlorine. So 3 from this side, 3 from that side. So total 6 90 degree angles are there, and 180 above to down, upward to downward, that is 1 only. Clear? So these are the position of angles. Now I am taking the second case, 1 plus 4 case. So in this I can take example of TeCl4 and SF4. Clear? And the structure can be like this. So if I put hand on this lone pair, then I can say this is K shape, or it is pi shape, or it is seesaw shape. So pi shape, K shape, or seesaw shape. So in this case, all 3 structures are accepted. Clear? Now I am taking the 2 plus 3 case. In this we can take the example of ClF3, BrF3. Clear? So I am making the structure of ClF3. You can see 2 lone pairs are there, but the structure is T shape. If I put hands on this, you can see this is bent T, actually not exactly T. So the structure is bent T. Clear? The geometry will be same in all 4. Now I am taking the last one case, that is 3 plus 2 case. So I am making structure here that is linear, and the example I can take of XCF2 of I3 minus I can take. Clear? So in this case we have so and so structures. This is linear. If I put hands on this, you can see this is linear. So in 3 plus 2 case, it is linear. Clear? So that is all about sp3d hybridization, which was cut in last video. Okay, and next is sp3d2 hybridization. In this we have 3 cases: 0 plus 6, 1 plus 5 and 2 plus 4. So in 0 plus 6 case, octahedral is there and the geometry is octahedral. Geometry is octahedral in all 3. Clear? But if I am talking about example, this SF6 is there. You can see a simple octahedral structure is there. 90-degree angles are there. How many 90-degree angles are there? 12. And 183. You can see this is 180, 180 and this is 180. So 3 180 angles are there. What about 90? 90, you can see this is sulfur. These 4 are fluorine. They are making 90, 90, 90. 4 90-degree angle in plane. And if I am talking about the above sulfur, fluorine, then you can see it is making 90 with this, this and that. So 4 by this above fluorine, 4 by the downward fluorine. So total 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 90-degree angles are there. Clear? Next, 1 plus 5 case. Okay. Now you can understand that I have taken 2 lone pairs, 1 and 2, maximum 2. But here in TBP I can take 3 because trigonal. So I can accommodate maximum 3 electron in this. But here I can accommodate only 2 lone pairs. Why? Because in this octahedral structure, the axial distance have more than the equatorial. So the lone pair can accommodate on axial position rather than equatorial position, so that the molecule can be stabilized more. That's why we have only 2 axial positions. So we can accommodate maximum 2 lone pairs. So the cases will be these 2 only. Clear? So in first case, IF5 is the example. So one lone pair is there. So lone pair is lying there. So you can read it like square then pyramidal. So square pyramidal is the structure of IF5. If I am taking example of XCF4, then you can see 2 lone pairs are there. Clear? So these 2 lone pairs will be accommodated on axial position, and now we will read it like this: square planar. So this is square planar and the geometry is octahedral. Clear? Next, sp3d3 hybridization, 0 plus 7 case and 1 plus 6 case. In this, the geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. Clear? But in 0 plus 7 case, both will be same. So it is also pentagonal bipyramidal. Example is IF7. IF7 pentagonal bipyramidal. These are the bipyramidals. Pentagonal means 5 fluorines are in plane. So 360 divided by 5, 72 degrees. So 72 degree angles are 5. Clear? 90 degree, what about 90 degree? The above fluorine is making 90 with these 5. Similarly with downward fluorine. So 5 plus 5, 10. So 90 degree are 10 angles. Clear? 180, this is the only 180 degree angle. Clear? Now 1 plus 6 case. In this, there is a problem that the lone pair can't be accommodated on axial as well as on equatorial. So what will happen? What will happen? Think and tell me what will happen. For this case, I am taking XCF6. Okay, this molecule is having lone pair with 45 degree with this and 45 degree with this. Clear? So what happens? In this case, the lone pair is not on axial nor on equatorial position. So what happens? It will lie in between these two with 45 degree angle. Clear? So it is just like octahedral structure with SF6 if I am comparing this, but it is having lone pairs. So I will not call it octahedral. I will call it distorted octahedral. Clear? So the structure will be distorted octahedral in this case. Clear? I can show you. Suppose this is the plane and this is the equatorial position, this is equatorial position, and this is axial position. So the lone pair will be lying like this with 45-degree angle from above and downward, like this, in between both of them. Now I am taking the next case. A question generally comes that CH4, NH3, ammonia and H2O all have sp3 hybridization with tetrahedral geometry. Clear? But they have different shapes, structures. Why? So the answer comes from the point of one of the point of VSEPR theory, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Okay, and the point is LP-LP repulsion is more powerful than LP-BP repulsion and BP-BP repulsion. So this is the very important point. Clear? So if I am taking about CH4, then what will happen? All are bond pair. So bond pair repulsion takes place. So regular geometry is there, 109 degree, 28 minutes. So the structure will also be same. That is tetrahedral, like the geometry. Clear? But if I am taking this case, okay, this case, then I can take the example of ammonia. Now you can see this is having 107 degree angle because there is a lone pair bond pair repulsion which is more powerful than bond pair repulsion. So this lone pair will compress the bond angle towards downward direction and it will decrease the angle from 109 degree 28 minute to 107 degree. Hence the structure become pyramidal. Clear? Rather than tetrahedral. Now I am taking this case LP-LP repulsion. I will take the example of H2O. You can see here two lone pairs are there. So lone pair repulsion is taking place which is highly powerful than the others. So it will repel each other. Now these lone pair will compress the bond angle. Bond pairs towards downward direction. So the angle will decrease from 109 degree to 104.5 degree. And the structure seems to be V-shaped or bent shaped or angular shaped. Or that is the reason behind this. So you have to understand and you must explain this thing like that way. Clear? Thank you so much.